Assalamu alaikum, guys. So, from today, we are starting a new series called Full 5 Server, in which we will build a full server which have cars, which will have MLOs, scripts, truck scripts, jobs, and all that. So, let's get started with the server. So, first of all, in this video, we are only going to install our server, basic server to get started on, and we will be using ESX. So first, we will need a few softwares. They will be first is called Hardy SQL, and then second is called XAMPP. This one, and then VS Code. These ones. So you make sure you have these installed. I will provide the links for them in the description below. Once they are done, we will head over to and then search FiveM server artifacts, and then we will open the first one, this Windows Master one, and then we will download this one, not from here, because if you click this, it will give you the way older ones, which will even not even work with the ESX. So we need this ones, not these ones. We need this one. Okay, so download this one, and then I already have all the things downloaded. So once you're done, you just gotta make a folder anywhere you like in your hard drive or desktop, wherever you like to keep the server. So I'm just gonna make it on my desktop so it's easy for me to access. So I'm just gonna name it full 5M server. Then I'm gonna open it. Then I'm gonna make two folders here. First will be called artifacts. First will be called artif. Second will be called server. Then I am gonna open this. You're gonna open the zip that you downloaded from here, this one, and then you're gonna extract all this into here artifacts folder. So you're gonna open this, Control A, and then drag it here. Once this done, you can close this one, and we can open fxserver.exe. But before opening that, we gotta make sure we have a few things. We will open XAMPP and then start MySQL. We gotta click start here, and then it will say running here. So we can just close that as it will be here in the background. So we can now just open fxserver.exe. And once it's done, it will open this type of interface. And then you just need to click account here, link account. We can close this one. And then it will tell you to log in with your CFX account. I will provide link for that in the description too. You can make a CFX account there. And then I'll just hit continue here as I already have one. I will just make a password here. You can link Discord ID too here. I will tell in another video how to do that. So for now, I'll just click register, and then we will have this setup interface to install our server. So I'll just name it full 5M server like this, and then next, and then I'm gonna click popular recipes, and then we're gonna select ESX legacy. I'm gonna change the path to the server folder we created. So just gonna go here, server, just click here, Control C, and then paste, and then save. Go to receive deployer, click next, and we need a CFX key we can find on keymaster.5m.net, or we can just go to portal.cfx.re. I'll provide all the links in the description. So sign in with CFX, then just go to service tab. I already made a key here. You can just create a key by clicking generate key and then just naming it, and it will create a key for you. We will just copy this one. You can click copy here, then go here, then paste. We will not be changing anything here. Just click run recipe, it's gonna run and download a few things and install a few things. So all you do is just gotta wait. Don't need to close this. You can just close the other tab, not this one, and keep this open too.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it's done here. So we can just go ahead and click next, and then it's gonna tell us here a few things which we gonna not gonna change right now, as we will do them later videos. All we gonna do is now just click save and run server, and once you are done you should be able to see no errors or anything. You can just see it's all good here. What we can do next is click open your 5M, and we're gonna connect to the server and test it out. Alright, so we are in here. As you can see, we are getting an option to connect to the LAN, and we are good to go here too. So all you have two options or three here. You can do connect localhost, or you can just connect directly through here. So we're just gonna do connect directly through here, and then you can see it's connecting to our localhost, which is our full 5M server that we made right now. So we're gonna create a new character here. Okay, then your hair spawn, use your HUD and all that. And we'll change everything in the future, including HUD, character menu, identity, and all that. That's it for the video, guys.